Today we're going to be taking the pedals off of a bicycle. The tool that you're going to need is a pedal wrench, 15 millimeter. If you come have a look here at the pedals, this flat area right here is what accepts the wrench. On some bikes this might be very narrow, on some bikes it might be a little bit wider. You can get a regular wrench in there, but if it's too narrow then you will require a pedal wrench to slip on top there. Alright, so we're taking off the right pedal. For the right pedal, we need to go counterclockwise in rotation to release the pedal. So put your wrench on, hold your other pedal, and we're going counterclockwise. You can see that releases the pedal from the pedal arm, and we can clean it up, put some thread lubrication on there such as grease, and it can go back into the pedal arm. Alright, so now we're going to take off the left pedal of the bicycle. The left pedal is the opposite of the right pedal in terms of rotation. The right pedal is clockwise to extract, counterclockwise. The left pedal is clockwise to extract. So you put your little wrench on, hold the other pedal, and go clockwise. We have the pedal that's extracted now. Same as the other side, put some grease on it, lube it up, make it nice, put it back in, and you're good to go. That's how you extract pedals from a bicycle.